mountainside.
This area
Oh my god, there's so many fish!
yeah, you like that one? Hello from Rattlesnake Lake, and we finally made it to the water. Last attempt didn't work. It was Sunday, so busy, took us like an hour to find the parking, and we were like done. But
Yay, mountainside behind me.
hello to Washington, one of the beautiful lakes
I believe Mount Si's right
that you
there.
don't have to hike to, basically. Just as long as you find the parking.
That should be Rattlesnake Ridge. Mount Si is right behind you, actually.
Sorry. The reception in this area is
And there's people out here. The guy behind is fishing, right there. People on kayaks. People on. There's
And the
one little
buoys
rock out
over
there.
there,
They're all hanging on that buoy rock. And yeah, this lake's huge. Let's go explore the lake.
Just stump like that way, but really big one is a high up.
So we're just exploring the lake. It looks like a bunch of people,
But the
younger
lake
kids
has
around jumping from
Stumps
rocks.
and rocks that are like 5 feet under us. So I'm trying to avoid that.
Look at this cool. It's cool. I don't think you can jump from this rock,
You
but
can.
you can climb it. I don't know how. Really? I don't know how deep it is there, though. Oh my gosh! Look.
Oh,
Can, like,
the thing.
look how many rings this.
How old is it?
I feel like it's 1,000 years old. I mean, it's dead already, but look at the rings. Like.
I think it
can
may be
can I
less than
show it to
1,000.
you?
Yes. I see the rings from here. They're pretty close, but thousands would be huge.
Like, see? Well, this one is bigger,
I'm
so
thinking
whatever tree
200 to
was,
150.
it's pretty epic. Cause look at this, you can see it goes all the way under. I see.
Oh my god, there's so many fish! No, we're Dude, there are so many fish circling me right now.
It's deep enough. It's deep enough. You can jump.
Madeline, there are so many
Bro, I
It's
literally like belly.
Always
danced.
reassuring. It's deep enough, hopefully.
Madeline, there are so
Oh yeah, like look at the baby fish.
Bro, I swear if that's
This
not
whole,
close to the
like,
way, I'm literally
I'll put on the
gonna-
water. Camera can go on the water.
No, it can see the fish.
Bro,
just look over there by the. No, other side.
Dan, there's like 1,000 right there.
They're still right there! They're what? Here, look, they're all right
Job.
there.
Good job there.
I went over though.
You're next, Tosh. You're next.
Jump, bro.
You're next.
I don't have my swinging bottom. You have to watch for that kind of thing.
I see that.
But you see it.
All right. It turns out Rattlesnake Lake was a lot smaller in the past. It used to be a small lake with a town next to it called Moncton or Cedar Falls, depending upon who you asked. It flooded due to the seepage from a dam project in the area. So in 1915, water was rising at 1 foot per day, and eventually the town was condemned. So all these tree stumps you see right under the water were once part of the town, and you even can dive to the bottom of the water and find the foundations of the city.
This lake is just full of little small shores with trees, stumps, you call it?
Tree stumps
And they're huge. Look at that tree stump over there, or several of them.
And you saw that when we were flying the drone around, and the drone didn't even capture all the footage I can see now. There's so much here. I wish I would have went higher in the sky. I only went up to 300 feet with the drone, but there's views vast, and you'll see them. Let me show them.
Rattlesnake Peak behind Mike. It's one of the shortest probably hike, and if you want to experience crazy hike, there is a farther away peak of Mountain Si. Much advanced hike, and you can even have a birds eating food from your hands. been there, but you have to prepare for at least one way 4 hours. I don't remember. I know it's very epic.
Check this out. It's a tree trunk under there. One more tree in the middle of the water.
The sun is pretty much down behind that hill there.
We made it to the other side of the lake. The sun's out over there, you can see. But
Basically, you can walk over
yeah,
here.
you can. It's pretty shallow. You can see under here right now. Probably can.
River bully. What's up, guys? Yeah, you like that one? Back. Oh
Mmm.
my God!
Canadian geese love multigrain chips. Oh, what the? Oh my God, there's more.
What's it? Oh my gosh! We're in trouble.
We're surrounded. Oh my gosh.
Hi, guys.
Stop. They're literally. Oh my God. Natasha, they're gonna go on the boat. This is it. Stop it! Stop! 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 Stop!
Let's go.
Stop feeding them.
They're gonna eat us. Oh.